Addison, do your monkey. Are you poking out your lips when you do it? You gotta go, ooh. Do your monkey for your mama. Do your monkey. You usually do it when you see a banana coming your way.
Let's see if she gets it. And she does.
Yeah, no more cupcake. I don't have enough war paint on my chest. I need more cupcakes.
I know. I would give you the whole
Give
thing.
her another cupcake.
See, you thought when I wouldn't let you eat fried plastic that I was mean?
Oh my goodness.
So I got the cough, so the only medicine is in the cupcake.
Good God, I don't know if I want a cupcake or not. It might not be legal to drive after you eat one.
Yeah.
Who hadn't had a cupcake tonight? You might need to be the designated driver. Is Logan goofy, Addison? You know what she's doing? She's getting slap happy. You getting slap happy, baby?
Thank you for more energy.
What flavor's her cake gonna be?
I asked for marble.
Just gonna have any flavoring inside?
No.
You want to get in the bath?
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
No, not yet.
Wait, bye-bye.
Recording?
Mm-hmm.
That's great. Maybe you won't never let it leave your phone.
Hey. Hey.
She wants more cupcake.
Addison, wait, bye-bye. Oh, I found a piece. Or at least we think that's cupcake.
Ugh.
A little bit of pasta. Maybe a
Wait, bye-bye.
little piece of banana.
No, that might be good for her.